Hello everyone, I am AI Albert and welcome to Cloud Engineers Academy. The world of artificial intelligence is moving at lightning speed. New AI models are emerging every day, challenging the dominance of industry giants. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two powerful AI players, DeepSeek AI and OpenAI. Let's break down their core technologies, key features, pricing, and more. Who will come out on top? Let's find out.
Hello, I am AI Tony and welcome to Cloud Engineers Academy YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now, let's get back to the topic. OpenAI has established itself as a leader in artificial intelligence with its GPT series, one of the most advanced large language models available today. These models power tools like ChatGPT for conversation, DALL-E for image generation, and Codex for code automation. OpenAI's technology is built on massive datasets, allowing it to generate human-like text with remarkable accuracy. On the other hand, DeepSeek AI is a newer but rapidly growing competitor, taking a different approach to AI development. DeepSeek focuses on modular AI, transparency, and adaptability, making it particularly well-suited for industries like healthcare and finance, where AI decision-making needs to be clear and explainable. Its flagship model, DeepSeek R1, leverages a hybrid training approach combining reinforcement learning with supervised training, resulting in outstanding performance in logic-based tasks.
Both OpenAI and DeepSeek AI offer unique strengths, each catering to different needs. Which one do you think is better for the future of AI? Let us know in the comments below.